The ride was incredible. It was so much fun, twisting and turning up and down, a lot of fun.
We are back from a stunning motorcycle tour in Ontario's Superior Country. This route frames stunning view after stunning view of Lake Superior as you twist and turn and rise and fall across the northern shoreline.
The scenery was spectacular. It was out of the world. It was breathtaking.
One of those really epic drives that everyone who visits Canada and who lives here really needs to experience to truly appreciate how beautiful this country is.
Our area is, quickly being known, I think, as one of the best riding destinations in North America. Lake Superior is the world's largest freshwater lake, and it really does offer a very unique riding experience for people that are looking for a great, comfortable climate, really interesting geography that gives them a good ride experience.
Lake Superior has everything. It's pristine, it's clear, it's fresh. You turn a corner and you'd be in awe.
It really is an epic motorcycle journey, and certainly the north shore of Superior and the Superior Country area offers, I think, some of the most dramatic scenery of the entire lake to ride around.
You cannot describe how beautiful these places are. One beautiful spot flows into the next, and you think you're having a great day, and you think life can't get any better, and then tomorrow comes and you go, wow, that was spectacular.
An incredible shoreline with a beautiful approach down to the lake.
You could hike, waterfalls. It was fun looking for the red chairs, everything you needed right there. The lodge at Red Rock, very unique. It brought you back in time, very peaceful.
Approaching Thunder Bay, there's the Terry Fox Monument, which is an absolute must-stop, kind of hallowed ground for Canadians.
It brought out a lot of emotions.
And the views of the lake and the views of the city from the monument are spectacular.
Of course, we rode the Giant, Sleeping Giant Provincial Park, all the way down to Silver Islet, which has the historical general store there.
Tight turns, up and down, around.
And, they have amazing cinnamon buns and fresh coffee all day, so it's a great little reward for riding through the park.
I fell in love with Lake Superior and Thunder Bay. I felt Thunder Bay had a lot of diversity. Small city, but big city flavor.
Some great restaurants and cafes and bakeries down here. You can book a sailboat charter or a high-speed Zodiac tour.
And of course, Kakabeka Falls, absolutely epic.
And even though I get to travel all over for my job and personally, this is still home, and I think some of the best landscape and some of the best experiences and best food and best people are right here in our backyard.
I would do it again in a heartbeat. If anybody said, do you want to go to Lake, yep. I would do this again and again and again.
All right, no offense to anyone else, favorite riding buddy ever.
Now I'll do my happy day.